Verifying your bank account with PNC Financial Services is an important step to ensure the security and functionality of your account. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access your online banking account. Log into your PNC online banking account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select verification options. In the account settings, look for an option related to account verification or security settings. Click on this option to proceed with the verification process. Step 4. Provide required information. You may be asked to provide additional information such as your social security number, date of birth, or answers to security questions. Fill in the required fields accurately. Step 5. Confirm verification. After submitting your information, you will receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your account has been successfully verified. Make sure to check for any further instructions or actions required. Completing these steps will help you verify your bank account with PNC Financial Services. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PNC customer support for assistance.